Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to remove your Dodge Charger headliner. First, let's prepare by gathering your tools. You'll need a plastic pry tool, various Torx bits such as T20, T25 and T30, along with a ratchet and a 10mm socket. Safety is key, so disconnect your car's battery before starting. Also, recline both front seats all the way back to give yourself plenty of room to maneuver the headliner out later. Now let's start detaching the interior components. Begin by carefully prying off the A, B, and C pillar trim covers. These are usually held by clips. Next, unhook your sun visors, remove the small plastic covers and unscrew the 2 or 3 Torx screws, typically T15 or T20, then disconnect their wiring. For the grab handles, pry open their small tabs to access and remove the 2 T30 Torx bolts. Finally, gently pry down the overhead console and disconnect its electrical harness. With the trim pieces removed, it's time to free the headliner itself. Carefully disconnect any remaining electrical connectors, such as those for dome lights or vanity mirrors. The headliner is primarily held by several clips around its edges and in the center. Gently pull down on the headliner, working your way around the perimeter. Some areas, particularly near the rear window, might have light adhesive, so pull steadily but carefully to avoid damage. Once fully detached, carefully maneuver the large headliner panel out of your Charger, typically through one of the door openings. Take your time to avoid bending or creasing it. Before reinstalling, inspect both the headliner and the vehicle's roof for any broken clips or residual adhesive, cleaning as needed. When you're ready to put it back, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all wires are properly connected and components are securely fastened for a professional finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.